Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to talk about TradingView. We will cover everything which you need to know from beginning till the expert level. What you need to know and what charts I'm using, what setting I'm using. As you already know, TradingView is the best tool for a trader. Either you are a stock trader or currency or any kind of thing, for crypto or anything you're trading. The best chart to analyze, and which is free version, is also very helpful. Personally, I'm using the free version, the basic version. You don't need to pay anything, and it's really helpful. Earlier I was jumping from one tool to another, one broker, and I was using their charts but didn't find anything helpful and so simple. And here in this one you find everything. Even you can combine your trading account if you want to link your trading view to your with your broker. So we'll not waste our time. Let's jump into it. So I will just open TradingView, and as you see here, the basic charts open like that. This is the main window, and you can see here the window is opening and editor speak and the market summary, and people are posting their ideas. You can follow their ideas. You can comment there also. For example, if I click you can search also this idea by typing Euro, USD, or whatever you prefer, and the idea will come if somebody put it idea on that. For example, here you see, if I put it here Euro GBP, the chart is coming here. Some people put it ideas here, ideas are coming, profile, what it is suggesting is a suggestion from TradingView side. So, and who are the top authors on this, so you can follow them by clicking on it and you can read. So it's really helpful to connect with other traders and you use your knowledge and interconnect and learn also from other traders. So it's good to be stick together to other people. So it's a good tool, and you can only search with ideas. You can click on it, so ideas will come, and what people are trading, you can click on it and you see the idea is populated. What this guy was doing analysis, what he's doing. Euro GBP has achieved our goal, the price and stock support line. I expect growth to resistance level. So he's suggesting, and people are commenting, and you can commenting as you prefer. So as I said, this is a nice tool, and you can click on follow Euro GBP. So this is the very good thing, and you can hear all these ideas, markets which you want to follow, scripts people are putting there. If they're using some indicators, screener, forex screener, crypto screener, stream, you can stream live, broker, you can connect on charts. And I use basic free version, and if you want to upgrade to new one, for example, I click on that. So here is the basic version, and they have like 4 versions: Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium. I use current basic version, and honestly speaking, it serves my purpose, and I'm earning money with this. I don't need anything extra fancy. What is limited here, you cannot use more than 2 to 3 indicators. You cannot use color. You can use 2 windows together. So what they are offering in Pro version, you can see 5 indicators per chart, 2 chart in one window, 10 server side alerts. Here is 1 or 2. Is ad free. This is additional. Here is ad. That could be irritating if you don't like it, the window popping up and you need to close it again and again. So far I'm okay, and I'm used to it now. There are volume profile indicators, so they are just increasing the indicator or some benefits there with the premium price. Honestly speaking, I use basic, so that works for me. If you want to use Pro, Pro Plus, you can see, and it will appear here on your profile. What I will do, I will go to the very basic, like if you don't know the trading view, so I just sign out and I click on charts. How window appear? This is the first time if you will open trading view, it will appear like that. So first is the advertisement. Okay, close it. So how the chart is appearing. So As we are in this chart, as I said, windows like ads are popping up. You just need to close them, and sometime it appear again. You need to close it. 2 to 3 clicks. So this is the first time if you open the trading view, it open like that. Left hand side, these are the tools which you can use on your charts. Upside, it appears the which pairs your indicator templates. Right side is current the pairs which you have selected and the information about them, and these are so another window is like a chatting group or some indicators. So we'll go in all these areas one by one. So first thing you see here, this is the chart in a candlestick. So what I would like to cover first thing I would like to cover about the right side. So here you see here in this area there is our pairs, and if I click on the particular pair GBP USD, this window appear here which explaining me or defining what is the performance, how many buyers or sellers are there, what price is going on. So all the information, buy price, sell price, and all these things, and what is the technical saying buy. There's another window you can drag it also. Any news about GBP USD is coming, so pound dollar, and this is from different platform. For example, this is daily FX, it's a Reuters. So with which trading view has a connections and the contract, they are popping their ads. You can click on that and you can go to the ad site and read those articles, whatever you prefer. Or what I do honestly, I don't like it. I'm not a fundamental trader, so I am a technical. I don't like it, so I just hide the news. I also don't need their technical. I do my own, and I add all the pairs which I'm looking for. So as you see by default, these are, you can remove them. You can just click it if you don't want, and you can add your own which you want. For example, if I want to add, let's say USD JPY, I click on USD only. So first thing, if you click on USD, you see there are this line here. You see all stock, future, forex, CFD, crypto, index, economy, and there is also a tab all exchange. Here in all exchange, you can select from which exchange you want the data to be populated. For TradingView, they are populating from Forex, these 5 platforms, and for stocks, different markets. You can see here, and for Bitcoin also. I just want to use Forex, or I can use FXCM data only. So you see, it's limited now. I can use only Forex, it will show me. If I use stock, it will show me about stock. So if I put AAPL, Apple, well, nothing showing now, but IBD, maybe because I selected the FXCM, that's why it's not showing. If I click on our exchange, it will show. So you see AAPL, and now Apple is there because all exchange. If I put it, and for all over the country, you see. But if I click to my FXCM, it will not show, and I have to check on my Forex, and I want to edit USD JPY. So I just click on USD, and you see related to FXCM only these are coming there now, no other brokers. I click on it, and what they are saying, I have to sign it to, so maybe let's just sign it. And to add it, you need to sign it. So I'm not going to sign it because then setting will change. So I wanted to show you something which will be ruined. So we can go later on sign up, because I want to show you all the settings which you can do here. So this pair you can add it here, and so this is about the right thing. Here also you can add your watch list. For example, you can, in basic version, you can create another list and you can put this column there. So you can use that. I will show in my resource. Here what you see, and let's come to the main chart. This is the candlestick and this is the bar. How you control it, how you move it. Either you click on it and you can move it like that. Or if you hover down, you see there is a plus. You can go zoom in or you can zoom out. You can go left, you can go right, or you just simply do that. I want to go up like that now. I cannot do that. First you need to click on that then you can go like that. So if you zoom in and zoom out, then you can move it where you want. See, this is the feature of that. So you can use that. Again, ad is coming. Great. I'm used to it. I love it. Soon you will be loving it. Okay, I don't want volume. I don't use more indicators. If you want, you can use it. But if how to remove it, how to add it, we will go through it. So you see here is a volume indicator, and you see here a volume bar here. If you click on it, you can remove it. So you see the volume window disappear. Now let's go. And I prefer chart very clean. I don't want to see anything like grid bars here. So here the things, how to do the settings. There are two way. Either you click on this gear and you have the settings, or you can click right and you see the settings. And you can go for symbol, status line, scales, appearance, and events, everything. So let's click here on settings. I go to symbol and appearance, because now my background is white and my vertical grid lines, which is like that, and horizontal grid lines have a very gray. That's why they are appearing. If I put them white, they will disappear. Okay, now I have very clean chart here. I don't need anything else, and I can use it. This is how you can use it. Again, what else is there in the settings? Symbol. You can change the color of the candle. You don't like green and red. You can use white and black. People prefer sometimes. How you would like to border. Border can be also black. Black. We can be black. Black. And you see how chart is appearing here. And there are different other things which I don't use most. So now you see chart looks like that. So you can change according to your way, whatever way you want. So that was about symbol. Status line, you can, I don't change anything. You see by default, oh, everything is okay. And if you click on it, symbol, you see the symbol will disappear from this. This is the scale line. If I click on it, symbol is gone. So open market, if it's open, how? So you see one update per second and market is open. So it will show OHLC values here, bar change values. What is bar change values here? You see, this is the thing happening here. So buy sell button. So this is another buy sell button here. You can see if you want to use it, you can use it. Otherwise, you don't need indicator title if you are using it, of course. And background if you want. All right. So this is the thing. Then there is another one, scales. This is about financial name label. You want to have it here. I don't use it. And you can see bid and ask is coming. Symbol name level if we are talking about GBP USD, so GBP USD is there. Bid and ask label, VHV talk, indicator, name level, indicator last value. So all this thing, if you want to add it, you can have it. Appearance, which we talked about just recently. Trading, if I told you about that. If you have a broker connected here and you want to connect it, you can use that. And for that, you can see so positions or orders, and you can directly trade from TradingView. So this is for that. What is our event? Event is here. What is the particular news is coming for particular pair? For example, I'm in GBP USD. I would like to know what are the events coming. So in future, because now market is closed, so if we don't see anything, and if I put so only events, so you see from the past events it's coming. If you click on it, what were the news coming at the particular time? So you can see all these things here. I like clean charts. I use it like that. So you can use that way also. So now we talk about that. Now let's talk about the top window. Here you see the particular pair which you are, and this is appearing here. If I click on gold, gold will appear here. So you see here, so it's changing accordingly. Here, this is like I'm on a which time frame. So I'm on a day time frame. By default, it's showing 1, but you can select as many you want, and it will appear there. For example, I want to have 1 hour there. I put favorite. I want to have 4 hour. I put it to my favorite. I want to have 5 minutes. So you can click as many you want. There is no like limitation here. So I have 4 of them here. Now I can go to 4 hours, 1 hour, 5 minutes as per my choice without jumping anywhere. Another ad. We are used to it. Good. Easy. And you adjust your chart accordingly when chart is appearing. Good. Now you can, by default, this is a candlestick chart. You can use the older chart or the advanced chart you want. So you click on it. There is a bar chart. It will appear as a bar. Hello candles. High Kanashi. It's like green and red, green and red. I was using sometimes. Or is this the line, simple line you want? So there's a Renko chart. These are like, if you would like to use it, but these are not available, I guess, in 5 minutes. Yes. So if you use them like that, you can use it. This is interesting. I don't use it more. Kagi. So these are some Japanese things are coming more point and figure. Interesting. I don't use it. Range. Oh, not sure what it is. Okay. Let's go to our candlestick. What we understand. Go to 100. I put 100 or what there. Yeah. Really? Okay. Now we're in daily chart. Adjust it according to our area. Here we are. Okay, now we have compare. If you want to compare two symbols, you can also compare here. For example, I want to compare gold with the S&P, and you see a line is appearing and it's comparing. So this is a good tool if you want to have it, and you can use it that, or just click it, it will disappear. Another thing, indicator. That's the main thing, how you add indicator. So there are so many indicators there. Personally, I use two indicators, which is moving average. You can just type there, or you can go one by one there and look for it volume. Or so I just type it moving average, and you can have it. You can use what type of moving average you want, and just click on it. Moving average is added here. You see it. I want to add one more. You can double click it, and another will be added. Now I click on it, and I can choose the style. For example, I want one of them is 21. I want it to be black, and thickness is okay. And I close it, and you see here, I want this one, input 100, so 100 moving average, and I want this is okay, and this appears like that. So you see there are three moving average. You can also hide it, it's appear here also. And we change the setting for indicator, that's why it's showing different way. If I go to appearance, scales, indicator name level, okay, no, indicator last value, no. Okay, maybe not that. Symbol name level, yeah. So okay, this is the way how you add it. You can double click on it, you can change it and something like that. Another tool here, you can add alert when, for example, I want to have a price. When price will cross this level, I want to have alert. Just right click on it, add alert. But again, you need to sign in. So if I go to my chart, for example, this is my view. I want to create alert. I add alert. Okay, I'm not signed in here. Let me sign in here. Oh no, first I will show you still my way. Okay, then I will go to my chart because I want to show still more things. Okay, I will clean again what we were showing it, symbol. So appearance, yes, sorry. Here is white again. Let's do it quickly. And now our chart is ready. Now I wanted to talk about, we talk about indicator. Financial, I don't use it, and it's just like about that. So I don't think so. You don't need to know about that. You can use some template if you want. For example, this is again in sign-in version. You don't need to use it. So I'm going to chart again. Click on it. You can clear alert from here also, so that we will show from our sign in window how we do it. And this setting, and you can save the chart when you click on it. By default it takes 5 to 7 seconds. So before going to my personal settings, I would like to show you here first things, one thing that which I want. So here you see this is your symbol. You have save layout, you have a dark panel, you have a dark color thing, you can change accordingly. Here you have a crosshair dot. How your mouse look like? You see my mouse looks like a dot, my mouse look like a cross. Then there's a tools here, you can use it. So for example this, I click on it and you can use it. See, I click it one more time and use it. This is a pitchfork Fibonacci. You can use it according to your set, and you can change the setting whatever you want to show there, what settings you want there, and it will appear. And its visibility about colors, you want color coordinates, so everything is there. You can just or double click on it and delete it if you don't want. I added moving average earlier, so I just wanted to add their RSI to show you, which I use. So you see RSI is also appear here, and you can add in basic version 2 to 3 indicators according to your choice, and you can adjust their setting also here. If I click on it, double click on it, and settings appears. You can change it by to 21. You can use that accordingly. You can adjust the scale level as you prefer. Okay, let's go back to our tools. So here we talk about all the lines. What is lines, straight line, horizontal array. The good thing about that, you don't need to go every time here. You can add them to your favorites. For example, like we added pairs here. So if I click, I use trend lines more. I can use it this. I can use this horizontal array. I can use the arrow. And you see here, this bar appear here. That's the thing I wanted to show you. Now if I want to use arrow, I don't need to go there all the time. Just click on it, it becomes blue, and now I can use it. I can change the setting of that. Double click on it, how you want to appear it. Style one like a red, big type, and you can change it accordingly. So anyway, the painting rectangle, I want to use rectangle, I want to use paint, and you can paint it. For example, I want to make a circle, I want to make some or rectangle like that. So there are different tools which you can use. I use also a ellipse to make a area here. For example, I click from the point where to where you want to click it, and just you have a clip here. Double click on it, you can change it. Oh, text, you can type also texts, and you can make a notes, comments, and everything. For example, I put a text here, price going up, and it appears here. And you can change also this color, background, visibility, text here, everything is there. If I put it like I want to have a black, put it like a 32, this should be bold. Yeah, good. Here it is. This is the use. You can use all of these options. You can even use this to have an arrow. What else there? There are chip patterns here, which I used to use ABCD patterns, cipher patterns. So A to B to ABCD, or I used to use cipher A to A, B, C, A, and you can change color setting. Double click on it, and you can change accordingly. Good thing you see the mass. You don't want to go one by one and delete it. There is another option here. Delete all indicator here. Remove all drawing, not indicators. Even you can remove all the indicators or drawing and indicators. I have a clean chart. See, I don't need to go one by one in everything. After that, choosing, you can choose all this. This is another interesting long position, short position you would like to know. There another, I don't use it much, but yeah, for example, I want to enter a trade here, and my profit target is here. and my stop loss is here. I would like to know how much I'm risking and everything. So you just click where you want to enter, and you see here, for example, I have 1-to-1 ratio. What is my stop loss? What is my target here? How much is this 6.697 compared to 6.75%? Because it's 1-to-1. If I increase it, you see it, 6.75% I'm risking and 23% amount. This is like by default, it's appearing here. And so this is like a good tool. Similar way, you can use a sort position and click on it that I want to sort here, and my profit target projection is here. So this is good to know, this risk to reward ratio. So that's an interesting thing also here. You can use other symbols. For example, I use time to time. Is a downtrend or uptrend. You can use this scale. I don't use it much. This is like a magnet mode, weak magnet, stock market. I don't use it much. If you want to lock the chart, this is for locking. Stay in drawing mode. Yeah. For example, this is interesting. Every time I have to click it. If this mode is not on, I have to click it every time to do this. Okay. Another line, I have to click another time. I have to click another time, another line, I have to click. So it will not make another. But if I have this turned on, I can use it as many times as I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this one. I can keep writing. I can keep writing. So this is the fantastic thing. I use it a lot. So you can use it that one. Now remove it, and this is hide all rank tools. If you want, you can use that. So this is the basic thing here, everything which I talked about, and you have the window. You can adjust it somewhere wherever you want. Now let's go to my way chart. I use it. So for example, I have so many charts here, you see it, and you have a watch list here I was talking about, and you can create another watch list. Or so for example, I have 2 watch lists, and you can create another and having this watch list second pairs, so you can use that. So that was the additional thing. One thing I wanted to talk about, the alerts. So for example, which we couldn't do earlier, and here you see my favorite window here. I adjusted here. I want to have it alert on my charts. So I just put a price here. I want to create an alert. It will create an alert, and you see the alert is created. If you go to this line, alert, when the price will cross, it will appear. By default, it comes here also, the alert which I'm using it when it's crossed or something. And you see the price crossing there, so it's popping up, and so it's market is moving. So that's the thing. And you can be offline. You can have a message. You can have an email when the price is in this area, and you can just check your chart. So it's a good tool to have it. What else I wanted to talk about here? That was the one thing. Second thing I want to talk about this list. For example, I on this part. Okay, let's talk about this part. Here you have all the windows, and if I double click on it, this move to site, and you have a full chart. Or you click on it, this symbol, you have a full screen chart. You don't want to see anything. You have tools here which you can use it, or just escape it. You are out. So this is another double click on it, and you are using that. This is all your alerts, as I said. Here, with the particular USD Swiss franc, what is showing all these days, what moving, what is indicator, and what is there. Here from exchange, any news, something is coming, or what is the data from other symbols. This is the news. So it's good to have news here. You can see here all the news which are coming here, so you don't need to jump in other sites, and you can use it here. This is another one. If you are following someone, as I told you earlier, if you follow someone, their ideas will appear here, and you can check it, and it will pop up like that one idea is there. Like this 27, here will be one, and this idea, and you can click on it, and you can check the ideas if you're following someone, like I said in the beginning, and the idea will appear. This is mine also, so I put it there. This is the chat. This is another addition. You can connect with the people. You can type. You can choose the group. There are so many groups there. For example, this is a gold discussion, so you can talk about gold, and people are keep talking. Recent chats. If I have this in my history, this is the ideas of other people. Sorry, that was my idea which I posted. So this is my idea which I posted, and 29 people seen it when I was working on it. So it was on December 2018, long time ago I posted. And this is other people ideas. They are posting their ideas, so you can click on it and follow it if you want. You can have a notification. This is about the trading. If you connect with your broker, so another window will appear. I don't use other things, so this is pretty much all, and that's a good thing. What I wanted to add here, by default, if you save your settings, for example, I add something, levels, all these things, it save after quite like 15 or 10 seconds, buddy. And if you close it and you want to open it again, these settings will not be there. So what you have to do, every time you change something, click on it, click this part, unnamed copy, and you have a right sign. It means it's saved, save all charts. So make sure you do some change, or you did some chart work on your charts. You put some trend line, you save it. So next time you come back, it will be there. Otherwise, it will not be if it didn't save. By default, it's saved in 15 seconds. You can take a picture of that and you can put it on, save it on your desktop. You can tweet it, you can use it, your setting you're using. So this is another additional thing. You can select layout. For example, we are using the by default layout. You want to see the way it appear. It can be appear different ways. So I don't want to change it. You can use that. This is this part, and here is my settings. So if you want like have a dark color, it will come to dark color theme. So you see, this is interesting. If you have eyes problem, you can use that one also, and accordingly the colors change, you see. So this is the dark theme. Drawing panel you want, you don't want, you can hide it. Buy sell button you don't want. What's new, all the things are coming there, you can use that. So let's hide it. The down window, this is again for the trading part. If your broker is connected, then it will appear here. You have to connect it, and then all the things will come here, and what position open, what is everything, details will be here. I don't use it, so if you want to connect, you can use it. Strategy tester, everything here will be stock screener. So that's the basic part here. I think we cover most of it, what settings you want to use. If you want to add some indicators, or you want to know any chart analysis or something, let me know about it. And if you like this video, just subscribe our channel. We're going to post more videos about different tools I'm using it, what test setting I'm using it, everything, how I analyze my market. I also post weekly analysis YouTube videos every week, and the result what I'm taking. On Facebook, I'm also putting connected to YouTube videos, weekly forecasts, what trade I took. I do live trading also on Facebook, on Instagram. You can follow me with the same name, Forex Salary. And I also put what trade I took, how much I gain, how much I lose. I do I gain and lose. Everyone do that. So everything is there, and there's many plans for this YouTube channel. I'm going to put many educational videos, strategy, candlesticks, beginner trading course, what strategy I'm using, how I enter trade. So everything apart from weekly analysis. So do subscribe this channel, and it will motivate us. So for sure, and follow us on other platforms. You will be benefit. You will learn something new in there. You will not lose anything. So if you want to analyze, so good. So for the time being, I covered everything. If you want to highlight something, put a comment and let us know, and give a like. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.